Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE Update today. Today freebie on the Discord, and I've always tell you to be a part of Discord, okay? So some surprises may come along your way. And I actually gave a Bitcoin trade to buy at 61k with a stop and sell at 74k with a reward of 21%. So this was totally for free and I just posted it. So check the comment section for a Discord free invitation link if you want to get into it. And also the private is still opened up for you to join for the next 7 to 8 days, and then it's going to close for September. So yes, it's still on Discord. Now back into Pepe, and Bitcoin is on the verge of breaking up. Now I'm going to tell you why I gave Bitcoin trade, and there is a ascending triangle that I saw. So this ascending triangle here is in 80% of the cases a bullish pattern. It's a bullish chart pattern in 80% of the scenario. Sometimes it can happen that you just pop down and go down. 20% of the chances are there. Now speaking of 80% chance of Bitcoin to push up, and the technical target for the ascending triangle is actually where? $74,000. I posted it and I gave it for free on Discord, and that's why you should be a part of Discord. Isn't this actually pretty useful? Pepe can be saved by Bitcoin if Bitcoin breaks to the upside. Of course, Bitcoin has not actually popped up, but I'm using the bank system to just enter here with the probability that it's gonna go up. Okay, it hasn't really go up, it hasn't really broken up, but in the next coming 48 hours we're going to see the break finally, because it's at the end of a push, probably to start off. Now the thing is, Pepe could be saved with Bitcoin if Bitcoin does do that. And one thing I may say is that, again, I want to see Pepe really coming up to 8849. Some people are saying that the 4-hour pattern is looking a little bit different, or there's a little bit of difference with the 4-hour time frame, and that is that if I take the trend line and I drop this trend line here, they're saying that there could be a break that is happening that actually shows Pepe wants to come up here, which is going to be nearly a technical target of 8811, because of course I'm updating every day to let you know as these things are progressing ahead. So it's also believed that we do have a start of a bull cross. So what happened here was you had a sideways pattern that got broken out of, and you back tested successfully as well, and you are making a bull cross, which means that you are looking for a target which is actually up to 8811, and eventually break above here and also continue to go all the way up to even maybe 1000 department. And I find it really difficult to not believe what this scenario is. It is actually even believed that Pepe could actually go on and even create an ascending triangle. For example, if the technical target is to come up to 8811, then you could actually do something where you continue on to create an ascending triangle. Maybe do something like this, and then again you take another trend line, and when you come up to that technical target, then you could actually end up having an ascending triangle and eventually break and start to continue the rally to the upside. But I think that it's really logical to say that this is a little bit of a pattern that I cannot actually disagree with anyone who says that this is a little bit of a break and a retest, and you could actually see a potential move up here. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.